How to use GrabFood voucher. The first things first is just head directly to your GrabFood application from your mobile, or you can also order the food and log into your account using your laptop or PC. If you're using your PC, then head directly to grabfood.com's official site and make sure that you log into your account. Now, before you use or redeem the voucher code, make sure that you will have to reach the specific amount of purchase that the code is requiring you to have before you can take advantage in it. So you can only use the code if you will place or order a specific food from the items on your cart. So once you have successfully added items or foods on your cart, and once you're on the checkout page, you should be able to see voucher code redeem or enter code. So just tap on that and you just have to manually key in the code that you have and you should be able to take advantage with it. Then that's it. That's how you redeem or that's how you use a voucher code and grab food.